How's it, guys? Shimon here from Decor Handles. I just want to show you our Cape Town showroom. Firstly, this beautiful view from our Cape Town showroom. And here is our Cape Town branch right behind me. I'm going to take you in, give you a tour. Hope you enjoy. Cupboard handles. Some emergency exits. Door closers. Aluminium fittings, huh? Like a counter here. Ron hates being on videos.
Yep.
How's it, Ron? Ron, this is going on Facebook, but you're gonna be famous, bro.
That's 7,000 followers,
Yeah. It's not bad. We got some beautiful handles here to display. Pull handles, front door, sliding door, pivot doors, you name it, we got it. Beautiful. Designer, stylish, black, flash handles, bolts, barn door handles, wrought iron, lacquer. Some nice door stops here, magnetic, non-magnetic, to power range, beautiful. Knobs, what do you think of our knobs, Ron? There we got some hinges, locks,